Hey theme lovers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am bringing you the top 7 HyperOS themes that you must try on your Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco devices. So if you want to customize your device to the next level with a more premium look, better icons and overall UI vibe, then trust me, you are going to love these themes. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel so you can get more such amazing HyperOS themes in the future. Friends, if we talk about these 7 HyperOS themes, then as usual let's start with the lock screen. And the theme we are going to use is OV Dark, which we will apply as a lock style. Then we will tap on this customize icon and we will select the wallpaper. Well, if you want to customize more, then you can, such as wallpaper, clock, date format, widgets, and some additional options that you can customize as per your style. Now let's move towards the home screen, where first we will talk about the widget. Here we get to see a big centered HyperOS style clock widget at the top, which shows the time, day and date information. To apply this widget, you have to go to your theme store and apply this theme all stars as a home screen or as a favorite tray. Next, let's talk about the icons, and for this we have 3 themes. The first icon pack is for those users who love using gradient or minimalist wallpapers, and this icon pack matches perfectly with those type of wallpapers. And to apply these icons, you have to apply this theme Tiago Wolf V15 as an icon. The second icon pack is for those users who are searching for dark HyperOS stock style icons for their HyperOS 2 or HyperOS 3 device, and this icon pack can perfectly fill that gap. And to apply this icon pack, you have to apply this theme HOS Hyper as an icon. Next and third icon pack is for those users who love iOS style dark icons on their Xiaomi device, and this icon pack also matches perfectly with any iOS setup. And to apply this icon pack, you have to apply the theme Kepal API V2 as an icon. Well, the sad thing about this icon pack is that we didn't get any icon animation in any of these packs. Now it's time to look at the control center, and for this we have 2 themes. The first control center is for those users who want an iOS 26 inspired control center with an additional transparent glass effect for their HyperOS 2 device. And to apply this, you have to apply this theme OB Dark as a status bar and as a system. But if you want to make this control center a bit more interesting, then just apply this theme HOS 3 Dark as a system. Then you will get a similar control center with an extra dark effect, where you will also get the volume and brightness sliders, something like this, which looks amazing. So with this control center, these are the top 7 HyperOS themes you must try on your Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco devices. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's customization. If yes, do like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more upcoming HyperOS themes. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.